Building site is a very good testing ground for our technology. As we know, there are high concentration of manual laborers on the site. Because of their profession, they tend to have dry skin or damaged fingerprint skin. The fact that we have managed to install around 10 sites in the UK, and both customer and installer are very happy with our system, proves our claim that the system does not only work in a lab environment, but also work in a real life scenario.
My role is to install access control systems on building sites for the purposes of safety, and in this particular instance we've got a biometric system. Although there are biometric systems available, this is the first time we've used a fingerprint system. There are three main advantages to this technology. Firstly, it's this aspect of safety. It's a true safety system. It recognises who's gone through and records that and gives us the accuracy of who is on site at any one time. And secondly, the efficiency of doing that, the efficiency of how quick can it read the finger and let you through that turnstile. You can't have a queue of people in the morning when you've got 200 workers queuing to get through. Third important factor is the cost. We've brought the cost down to a price that the sites are prepared to pay, rather than trying to sell them clever technology at a high price. This is a high technology product at a reasonable price.
One of the issues with fingerprint recognition is because every time you present your finger to the scanner, because of the angle, because of the pressure you apply to the scanning surface, it creates distortion, and that's part of the reason for failure. And our unwarping technology will address this issue directly. We'll apply a mathematical model on the fingerprint to form a normalized fingerprint representation, so it won't be affected by various distortion.
I'm an installer, and for me, I'm looking at the marketplace to see which is the best product. And as an expert in access control generally, I know that this technology is good. I've looked at all the biometric systems, and honestly, when I first saw it, I knew it had a task. It had to work on a building site with dirty hands. And so far it's working. We've done all the tests, all the trials. I'm convinced that this is a major move forward on site access control safety.
For building site, the most important issue is health and safety. So for the site manager to have an idea of who is on site at any given time for health and safety reasons. So a system will be able to provide a very accurate report at any given time to who is on site and which contractor or which employee is on site. So if there is a security issue or emergency scenario, then they will have a better idea. Well, we designed a core matching algorithm. We use a very innovative approach to tackle the accuracy problem with fingerprint recognition. We have special advantage over the existing system on dealing with low quality prints. Low quality prints being distorted prints, people with dry skins, scar tissues and scratches, etc. A certain population of people with certain professions, they tend to have damaged fingerprints, produce very low quality prints. So our system are much better in dealing with those examples than any other in the market.
The construction industry generally is interested in biometrics. It's a bit of a fashion because they can see the advantages, and honestly it's a difficult process of saying that this is any better until by example they see for themselves, because there have been difficulties with biometrics. The fact that the handprint system, which is the recognised, I wouldn't say industry standard, but it's a recognised system, has been slow. It's verification, it's pin number entry followed by the hand. This is simply finger on, read the finger and straight through. What could be more simple?
Fingerprint technology has been around for a long time. But for a long time it has always been used for criminal detection or forensic applications. After September 11, fingerprint technology are more and more popular in civil applications, access control, border control, national ID card, etc., etc. The first couple of years of the company formation, we started at computer science department. We ran our lab test at computer science department. tested on our colleagues and friends, and obviously we tend to have a better quality fingerprint than some other people's. This is a real life test for us. Workers like it. They don't have to remember to bring their card. They don't have to remember the PIN number. They can just turn up to work and use their fingerprint. The system is fast, accurate, and responsive.